We're back after like one month? Alright, whatever. We're back and we're gonna make another video. It's been a while. Sorry for the
Delay and stuff like that.
yeah, but we've been trying, working on the schoolwork and all that. But we're back and we're gonna do tricky questions. Basically, we're going to stop. I can't do it. I can't work like this.
Alright, so as you know, see tricky question in the title below. So when you go like this, you can subscribe
and comment what we should do. Let's get it. Alright, so we have the first person here. What's your name? Alright, don't say your name. That's personal. Alright, what was it? There were 50 cows on a farm and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
15.
What?
15.
No, try again. There were 50 cows on a farm and 28 chickens. How many didn't? Alright, so what's your name? Just your first name.
Justin.
Alright, so there were 50 cows on a farm and 28 chickens. How many were left?
Okay.
54 and 28 chickens. What?
18. Plus 700.
What?
Plus
No.
70.
Alright, so our next victim is your first name. James. Alright. We're going to blow your face for purposes. Now, ready? I have a question for you. It may end up sounding stupid, but it's just that. If there are 50 cows, there are 50 cows in a field and 28 chickens. How many didn't? How many didn't?
Question again.
If there are 50 cows in a field, 28 chickens. How many didn't? She boy, I do the math stuff.
30.
I get it. Yeah. Congratulations, you're the first person to ever get that one. And because you never look stupid, we are getting our next one. Ready?
Alright, you have whoa, right? You turn it upside down. What that mean? Bro.
What that meant?
Yeah.
Mom.
Alright.
Jesus Christ is very smart. Alright.
Yeah.
Look, KJ, play subscribe. Alright, so just come and plug your channel. What's your
Over here.
channel? Alright. So I'm KJ Plays. Well, you can follow me on Instagram at KJ122. If the editor could have just put something right about right here, so suggesting the name. Alright.
Just so you know, he's putting it at his balls.
No, not the ball. Like right here, sir, floating in front of you.
It's your boy Jamaican Got Game, and subscribe to my channel Jamaican Got Game, the same name. What's up, everybody? It's Godspeed 4 Live. Subscribe to me. I'm not on Instagram. I'm definitely on WhatsApp. You can please subscribe to my channel. Probably it's right here because there's just a juice box right here. So but still, subscribe to my channel.
Alright, so now I gotta answer some questions.
All of you get your ass back.
Alright.
Alright, quiet. You're going to answer questions.
To me?
No, you don't answer because you're too smart. Alright, listen. I got one for you. What starts with an E, ends with an E, and has one letter in it.
E.
Alright, yo.
What's E?
Wait. Alright.
If
What?
no,
One letter.
What goes up,
E.
let her forward and come back down.
Say that again.
What goes up, let her forward and come back down.
I know that I heard this one before.
Airplane. Helicopter.
Wrong.
No.
Air.
Wrong.
I hear this one.
Let her forward and come back down.
and come back down.
You simply that the
No,
thing
me
there
hear the one here before.
in every business place. every business place, brother.
Internet.
I think I know this one.
Let off a load.
Stone.
I know this one somewhere. Watch
Let
it from
off a
JNL
load.
comedy.
Yeah.
4, JNL comedy. 3, 2, watch it already.
Well, I don't know this one. I don't know this one.
What is it?
Elevator.
Oh, I thought it was something like that. I'll do another one. The answer to my
Question would be.
I'll be back.
What?
Wait, question?
Let off. Yeah.
You not even know the man, dog.
Load and come back now. Goes up and let off a load and come back down. Alright? Goes up, let off a load and come back down.
Oh my god. I can't do this no more.
Alright, next question. Alright. Wow, right? W-O-W. W-O-O-W. Spell wow. How you spell upside in there? What you know? I never ask how it sound. Ask how it spell. And the man said wow. If we say M-O-M, you have to say it like that.
Oh, I just getting it as well.
What? Get at it?
What, Daniel?
Jesus Christ, man.
Alright, pause now.
Alright, so we're here with our next question answerer. What's your first name? Alright, so basically we're here to ask you tricky questions. Now,
Yo.
first question is there are 50 cows in a field, right? Right, and 28 chickens. How many did it? 50 cows in a field and 28 chickens, how many didn't?
Yo, ask him about the one. Let's stop on him.
Me know it, my turn. Yes, 30.
12 fuck SWAT, buzzing all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn field, I'ma get lazy.
What the? How are you two making that?
You said the right answer first, no, Alright, the next question is
Load.
what starts with a E, ends with a E, and has a letter in? What starts with a E, ends with a E, and has a letter in between?
Start
Ends with a E.
Ask him about the one about the lead.
Yeah.
What goes up?
Envelope. An envelope. What goes up? Letter follow. And then come back.
What goes
You
up?
shut up.
What goes up?
What goes up?
Letter follow. And then come back. Yeah, look here. You can find it almost anywhere still.
What
Apart
goes
from
up?
what that goes up.
Let off a load in it. Then at every company, like every business
Every
place,
big place. You must
with
have.
beer floors and stuff like that. And yeah.
Elevator.
Yes.
You have to get the answer then, bro.
Which school you go to? Alright, come here. No. Alright. So, basically what we're going to do, it's a tricky question. See? So,
Damn, you can't see me one, brother.
so the first question is, what go up, let off a load, and then come back.
Airplane.
What?
Airplane.
No, wait. Where you say a while ago?
Aeroplane.
Let's try it.
I will black. But that close though.
Alright,
You should have said that, but aeroplane, an aeroplane, but you're
it's
close.
an elevator. Alright?
Yeah, I said thing that, but
Alright.
no, but that wrong. Aeroplane no go up and let off a load.
What airplane do?
Them not let off people off a here. And guess what? Them don't go up and let off to do them wait no. I think
Let off the doodoo.
I think them wait until them land back down.
Brother, them let off the doodoo in the ear. That's why when you walk and you feel something drop on your shoulder, Ronnie loves the next question. We are with our next victim. We are with our next victim. What's your name? Michael. Said his name is Michael. Alright, so we have a question for you. What? Go, let off alone and then come back.
No, your mother's.
Come and we do our next one. Alright. What starts with E, ends with E, and have a letter in it.
"24 hours later."
You don't know the answer. You don't know the answer.
Alright.
It's an envelope.
Spell wow upside. What is wow upside down? Spell wow upside down. Wow upside down.
Pop him color. First I will get it good. Alright, ready, come. So that's the end of the video, guys. Well, we went to lots of people. Kids at our school, they don't have no sense.
Anyways, subscribe.
If you didn't enjoy the video, then leave a dislike and you must leave in the comments why so we can fix it in the next video. Until next time,
It's AK.
AK.